Yo, what is up, all you beautiful credit repair hustlers? Today we're talking about the difference between Google My Business and Yelp and what you should be spending most of your time onto. It's probably not going to be a long video, so I'm going to get straight to the point because a lot of people ask me this question on where they should invest most of their time into, because realistically, we don't have a lot of hours in the day. We want to only invest on things that actually work and that actually drives us profits. That being said, let's talk about this for a second. Yelp versus Google My Business. They're both competing to become the primary review platforms. Both are competing to become the #1 place for people to go to get reviews and to write reviews at. Obviously, you can write reviews on Facebook, but that's not part of this topic. The way I see it right now is that Yelp it's like $1 million industry. It might be a lot more, obviously, but compared to Google is $1 billion trillion industry. Realistically, nobody can. Google's on the top is what I'm trying to say, whereas Yelp is like down here, right? And in the long run, regardless of what happens, like, they're both competing to become the primary review sources, both spending a lot of money on advertising and marketing so that they can both outcompete each other to become the go-to review company. That being said, if you were to give me the choice, I would definitely go Google My Business, straight up. But the reason why is because in this competition, I mean, who knows how long this will take. I really don't see Yelp beating out Google. Matter of fact, I really don't see Yelp lasting longer than Google pretty much says so. At any point, realistically, I think Google can spend a whole bunch of money and completely kick Yelp out, because Google owns a lot, has a lot of property, internet property. So what I'm trying to say, to sum up, to make this long video short, is that you don't need to invest a lot of time in necessarily Yelp. I mean, you could, but I wouldn't, I would focus on what works and what is proven to work. Google. Let's say you're looking up. Put yourself in the eyes of your consumer. Pretend you are looking to fix your credit. Obviously, you already know you have shitty credit and you want to fix it. Where do you go? You go on the internet, you look up best credit repair companies near me. Bam. More likely than not, Google's gonna be on the very top, not Yelp, right? Because usually when you type in something like a keyword after near me, like contractors near me, best credit repair company near me, chiropractors near me, anything like that, after that pops up a little map and the 3 businesses under the map pack, okay? That being said, Yelp doesn't really pop up until later on there. You want to be in the very top. You want to dominate the entire, all of social media. You want to dominate everything. You want to leave anything to chance. And the thing that's on the top right now, that's always going to be on the top, is, especially because everybody looks on Google, is going to be a Google business, Google My Business, something made by Google, which is the Google My Business. So pretty much to answer this is focusing on Google My Business. Okay? Focus on Google My Business. And if you have any questions, you need help with anything, you need help learning how to rank your Google My Business, I actually made another video on the secrets to ranking your Google My Business to the very top in a very significant amount of time, very, very, very quick. So make sure you check that out. It's on my channel. And guys, if you need help with anything, you need to schedule a consultation call with me so that I can just give you any advice that you might need. Maybe you just need somebody to be there for you and just give you the answers on how to really grow your business, how to really put systems in place that just fills up your pipeline with new clients. Guys, click the link down below, schedule a call with me, and thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you later. Also, make sure you join my Facebook group, Making Millions with Credit Repair Marketing. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.